Good morning, guys. Another day. So today we are giving Briella some banana for the first time. So we wanted to bring you guys along and see how she reacts. All right, Briella, you ready? This is gonna be so sweet. I wonder how she is. Gonna take it. Briella, you want to try banana? You gotta open your mouth. What's that?
Say, whoa.
Whoa, what is that?
This actually tastes like something.
Here. Is that good? Very serious face.
Real, do you like it?
Do you like it? Whoa, yeah, you like it? Want more? Whoa. Gotta eat it. Yeah. Nom, 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 nom. You like it? You have no difference? I don't want you to grow up. It's a banana. It's a banana, and now you're growing up. I can't believe it. You're eating food. This is crazy stuff. My baby girl tried banana. Are you a banana girl? You're a banana girl. A banana girl. What are we gonna try next? Some avocado maybe? Mommy just wants to kiss you all over because you're just a kissable girl. You're just a kissable girl. What are we gonna do today?
Babe, your coffee's right here.
Thank you. So today is our last day here in LBI. Our last day, our last beach day, baby.
Yeah, that's why that's on you.
Briella's skin is not really liking this New Jersey weather. She is peeling all over, like all over, and not because she's burnt, just like dryness. I don't know. I don't know. How much lotion could we put on you? It's our last day. Last beach day, baby. Yeah. Say last day. Gotta make it count. Alright guys, we are going to eat the chicken or the egg for breakfast, for our last day breakfast. Yella, you ready for breakfast?
No socks on?
No, she has nothing. Alright. Classic LBI experience. Good morning, Diego. Good morning. Hello. I used to like this. I got it.
Yeah.
Hello guys. Awesome. My name is Holly. Briella, you're at the table with us? With your toesies at the table?
Does anyone else need?
The Philly's name written all over it. Thank you. 44%. And I'm game.
Maybe. You were showing it? Sorry.
Like my home fries.
Briella's sleeping.
My plate.
Look at these little toes.
Then I can't.
Pork witch.
Okay, now we're off to get some more coffee because we have an addiction. Briella Mia's woke up. We have to do this really fast because her next bottle is at the house. The conversations that are in the background. I can't. I was like, the conversations that are in the background of this video is just hysterical at all times. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll show you dad's.
Oh, they're here.
Is it?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Family.
What the hell?
We're just everywhere in LBI.
James, say hi to the camera.
James, say hi.
Say hi.
Look. Say hi.
Say hi, Mom. Okay.
He's like, how am I here? No, baby.
It's yours, though. It's yours.
Mommy thinks you're hungry. You hungry? Is that what you're doing? Water bottle. Big milk chocolate.
She's very hungry. All right, guys.
What's up?
Our last beach day. It was very hectic trying to get out of the house just now. Baby B is a little fussy, but we're hoping it gets a little bit better. I gave her a little bit more of a bottle. It's a beautiful last day. Gorge. Right, baby? I don't even know if we could see you. Got your little head? Are you just talking to yourself? Baby B!
She wants her halfway.
Look at this girl.
Too cold.
It is cold.
Oh, I thought Bobby said it was better.
We're trying to get baby to go to sleep because it's her nap time. And she says, no, it's beach day. I don't want to see you. You see that? Oh, Ben, come on. Ow. Put water in my eye.
I have not heard from Tim. I'm gonna freaking kill him. I called him twice. He worked like crazy this week, so I'm sure he's tired. He might have slept in, but I'm like, dude, it's 12 o'clock now. What are you doing?
I know you.
Even though he's exactly like I was when I was his age. I would sleep till like 4 p.m. sometimes.
Hey guys, I am back inside and pumping. It is beautiful out today, but it is really hot. I'm wearing this little dress cover-up situation. It is a dress, but works as a cover-up, I feel like. But I'm trying to make sure this bathing suit holds up this pump, which it like kind of isn't. So, you know, that's a thing. But I can't believe today's our last day. This is so crazy. I feel like it went by so fast. So tomorrow we just really clean up the house and get out of here. And then tomorrow is the get ready day for just last minute things for Brielle's baptism. So I'm so excited. So that'll be really nice. And then after that, I'm spending a few days with my family in Long Island. So that'll be really fun. Just pumping my life away, guys. Just pumping my life away. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This one is really enjoying her beachside bottle service. Always crossing those little feet. Always. Hey guys. So, I don't know, the last thing you saw, we're at the beach. And then I had to come up because it's like really hot out today, and you know, I didn't want the baby to be out there in the heat like that for that long, so I just wanted to bring her up, gave her a nice little bath, and then she took a nap. And then I kind of started packing a little bit her suitcase because after, you know, dinner and stuff, I'm not gonna wanna, I already have to do, you know, so much, so little by little, so I don't have to feel like tomorrow doing so much. But I'm curling my hair, and I don't remember, you know, in my old videos like 3 years ago, if I just like held my curl like up top. I know this looks absolutely ridiculous, but this is what I do now. I use these. You can get them at like any beauty store, and I just pin them all up. And it's so much easier than holding the curl forever. And you know, my hair does not want to hold a curl, so it's just a whole situation. So this is so much easier. I could actually just go like this, go like this. Let me bend down so you can see. Go like that. And pin it. So I look like a little old lady for a little bit, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? Gotta do what you gotta do around here. But this is so much easier, and this is literally the first time I'm curling my hair in, like, feels like forever. But the first time this trip I'm even doing my hair. Oh, because, you know, I want to look nice for our last dinner, even though we don't even have reservations. We're just winging it. The family has reservations, but we weren't on them because we were going to do something else, but now we want to go there, so we're winging it and hoping for the best. So that's what we're going to do. But I also wanted to curl my hair because it's, what's today? Today's Friday. So the baptism is on Sunday, and I wanted, I don't know, if you wash your hair once a week like me, and you need to, like, I don't know, you need your hair to be a certain amount of dirty to keep the curls good, which, yeah, I don't know, I feel like everyone gets it now, right? That we don't wash our hair every day. It's just like a thing. Then just a little hairspray. And a little old lady, we are, just for a little bit. These were our t-shirts this year. How cute is this? Finn's cousin like designed them. So cute, right? I didn't really film that first day of us getting here. I just did that next day. But we all wore these. It's so cute. Briella even has a little onesie with this on it. It was super cute. But yeah, just getting ready for our last dinner. Last dinner. Can't believe it. Having a coffee.
Doona?
Yeah.
Can I come in?
Yep.
Okay. I need to shower outside.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just filming my hair. Yeah. Okay. Change of outfit because I had to pump. But I'm gonna take the curls out now. Show you guys. Normally I wait longer. So let's see what this looks like. Alright, now you gotta zoom it. Boom. Fall a little bit. Dropped. Oh, I dropped a few. Yes, Finn.
Poop.
She pooped? Okay. The baby pooped, so I gotta change her diaper, but you get the gist. And then I just fixed it up a little bit, call it a day. Well, I was trying to show you my outfit. You can't really see it all, but it's a very long, flowy dress. The hair is done. You know when you do your hair and it's just exactly what you want it to look like every single time you do it, and you know, I can't do this in Texas, so it's too hot. But this dress is so long, so we're gonna pray that I don't fall and end up naked, actually.
Oh, look, we're eating and so should have.
Thank you, babe. Briella Mia, we're auntie.
He's so
I love you. I love you so much. Cheers.
Come on.
It's gonna be delish.
Galamad, not calamari.
I know, but I just said it like that for them.
But you and the waiter said calamari.
Because I was trying to be polite for the people who aren't Italian. You know? I asked for the fried galamad, they'd be like, what the hell are you doing?
How do you think somebody can do? I love this. Here I'm talking
Pistachio.
There is a lot of pistache. What'd you get?
Filet Luna. Mignon, crappy.
Nice. They put us like right next to the parking lot because of the baby. But I had to take her out of the little car seat because it looked like she was like getting a little too hot. Hopefully she still sleeps. Time to eat.
Belle's a little upset. I don't know, she calmed down. Got the rainbow cake because we never see that anymore in Texas.
What?
Oh, I was definitely going on.
Briella, say I woke up and had my bottle? And I'm happy now? You're so happy now? Oh, Mommy's taking your bow off. Going down. Where's Briella? Who is that? Okay. Okay. Okay, baby. Guys, we decided to come back to the shops with the boat, and it's kind of hard to get everything, but it's our last night. We want to take advantage of this time. We got to get our LBI fix in. Right, Briella? Right.
It's okay. Very nice, Reese. You're all done?
Should I get another sweatshirt? Probably not.
Cool beans.
Briella, getting a coffee? Baby. No, baby girl.
Riley, are you doing the training?
There you go.
Or is she training you?
Thank you.
I think I'm like getting.
Guys, do you think we have a coffee addiction? I feel like every video it's either me buying something or it's coffee. It's really good actually though, for just being espresso and milk.
Yeah. It's just a latte now. Kind of dumb that I forgot that.
Kind of true.
I was like, I'm gonna put milk in it, and then she charges for a latte. I was like, yep. That's what that is.
Do you think she thought that we didn't know what a latte was?
Yeah, probably. But I just wanted to put like a dash of milk. I didn't want them to like make it a full coffee.
Ah, whatever. What are you gonna do?